Hey everyone, Adam Oldfield here from Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning. We've been cleaning furnace and ducts for over 4 decades, and now I got something to share with you. Well, scammers are out, and they are out with a vengeance. That's right, duct cleaning calls you get or overseas. They claim to be Vacu-Man. So let me just show you. This is just this past month, and I had personally, as you take a look at this text, seen that I had a communication where they're claiming to be Vacu-Man. So I caught another imposter in the act. So what happened was they had the nerve to say they're subcontracting for Vacu-Man. Now this is unbelievable. Now, how do they trap you? Well, first of all, they'll go and use an ad that looks like Vacu-Man. It could be a Facebook ad, could be a Kijiji ad. It's extremely irresistible with the offers of $99 or however little they charge. If it sounds too good to be true, it most certainly is. So here's my advice. Please double check. Make sure you know who you're talking to. Don't just click book now on an ad in Facebook or in any Kijiji. You want to go to the website itself. Make sure you see a website like this, click the get a quote or book now, and always make sure you're dealing with our local family-owned business. Best way to do that, give us a call directly. Be smart, be alert, and remember that you want to make sure that you call the right furnace and duct cleaning company to get the job done. Thanks for listening, folks, and be careful out there.